Hey, how's it going, guys?
What's going on?
Pretty good, pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm doing well. Just marking up charts.
Hello? Hello, hello.
There he is.
I had the volume down. I was playing COD. I forgot. I was like, where is everyone? Looking for cells, hopefully, from here.
Yeah, I'm feeling better about sales overall.
Yeah, I think this is just grabbing these orders and then it's going to come down.
Except I'm not really liking these. I don't know. GJ just looks wonky at like where the support would be.
Well, I mean, we broke through this daily area, so I think we're just coming up, and then once we break the low of this 30-minute, I'm going to take a sell, because I think it's going to close below.
Yeah, I was looking at the 15-minute, and
I almost took the 15, but I would have got stopped
yeah,
out.
me too.
Yo, what up, live stream?
I don't know. In my opinion, it just didn't break it enough.
Yeah, because I almost took it when it was down here, and I was like, you know what? Let's just wait for one more close. Let's see what happens in 7 minutes, and it's a good thing.
If it closed like the one previous, but like bearish, and then broke the low, I would have taken it.
Yeah. But the hourly and 30-minute were so bullish, I was just like, let's just wait.
Exactly. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yo, Hawaii. Damn. I'm thinking it could reject off of here. And then once we get below here, it'll be boop. This will be an hourly close. Yeah, that's just moving sideways too. What up, Doug? Yep, yeah, I'm getting there. Spreads aren't bad right now. I mean, I traded GJ this morning with like a 3.5 spread, and all I had to do was just have a little bit safer of a stop loss. And I mean, I still got almost 20 pips on everything, so that's just about to.
Yeah, and look at GJ, dude, because if you look on the 30-minute, it was like it took a drop and then it consolidated. We took another drop. We're consolidating right now, and you can easily anticipate another drop. You know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this thing pulls back and closes below. I mean, I think once it gets below here, that's going to be a perfect fucking trade. How big is this candle, though? Oh, man. Man. Yeah, it's closing below here, too. This song is called Bright One by Sammy Adams. Gotta send this to Rakeel. But literally forget to do it every day. Shoot.
What up, Polly?
Yo, yo. Make sure we got our mics muted, people. Yep. $994. Let's just see what this looks like. Oh, previous was bullish, but we broke the low. Oh, I messed that up. Yeah, I put that on the wrong side. Oops. So yeah, I should have been looking for a buy above here, and I fucked that up. Alright, if we get above here, we're gonna get a much better buy anyway.
No. I was looking at USD Swiss franc right now.
Mm-hmm.
I just missed my entry.
Mm.
I would have probably been out already. Like moved down 4 pips.
Same dumps.
Other than that, did you finish it?
Yo.
Somebody said this might sound like conspiracy theory, but like just as like.
Someone said mute your mic, please. I don't know. So yeah, maybe a 4 hour something there, but this thing just kind of dumped through it. So yeah, and I put these on the screen now, just so I have a better idea when I'm looking at the 15 of where price could see something on the higher time frame, just to maybe get a little better idea from where we're entering at. Yeah, this thing could have tapped into here to go up, but it broke these two lows on the 4 hours, so I would expect it to find a resistance and come back down. Is there news? No, not really. So I think it's going to reject off of this and then come down below here and then come back flip. But we'll just have to... I'm hoping this candle doesn't do it, because then our stop's got to be here for an entry here, and that's just way too big. But I'm looking for sells on GJ today. Well, actually, I'm gonna check this 4 hour here. Yeah, no, so my MT4 broker is bearish, so I'm gonna look for sells. I'd expect it to find the resistance either here or here. My spread's at 3. It's pretty normal. It's not really jumping either. It's pretty consistent. Yep, I'm pulling it up now. Okay, yeah, maybe we are gonna see it there. Yep, I think that makes sense. And then you could target up to there. So that's where we consolidated before a drop. So that would make sense to possibly return there. And then target for sells on that daily wick fill, 4 hour wick fill. Yep. That's what I'm seeing. Yep. I'm probably not gonna. Yeah, I don't know, because my MT4 and my trading view don't line up again. So it really kind of messes up my bias. I think I'm gonna just stick to what MT4 says every time and just disregard trading view.
Yo, EJ was a perfect buy, and I didn't pull the trigger. I hesitated on that last 15-minute close.
On UJ?
No, EJ.
Oh.
I saw that 15-minute close, like, it came back and retested. But I hesitated because I took a trade like that on GJ yesterday where it pinned to the resistance up top.
Mm-hmm.
Pulled back on me, but that was a perfect setup, man. I'm thinking about getting back in after this. Well, not getting back in. Getting in after this 15-minute close. Because it just left a huge pin up top.
On EJ?
Yeah, EJ is a perfect setup right now, man. I mean, I missed the entry on that last 15-minute candle.
Yep, no problem, Henrik. Yeah, EJ buys. Let me check out EJ. I'm gonna stick with GJ because playing on EJ cost me 2 losses in a row on stream, so I think I'm gonna just stick to what I know. I don't know why. Oh God, yeah, that thing. Well,
yeah,
let's take a look.
15-minute close was beautiful.
Yeah, it might. I mean, yeah, that wicked way above everything, so that would make a ton of sense to come up. But what's the hourly look like? Hourly still has no bottom wick. Yeah, because if EJ goes up, GJ should go up also then, correct? Because then the yen would be weak.
That's usually how it works. One pair of lags behind the other.
Because I still I like GJ sells if we break this 30-minute, as long as this candle doesn't do it, because that stop's too big.
Yeah, I want to see how this 15-minute closes on EJ.
Cause my 4-hour chart on here, it looks like this. So like we got 1 4-hour, and then okay, well that's not. Let's try this again. Oh, well. So imagine that's a candle. We got a wick there, and then the next 4-hour looks like this.
Actually, no, I'm not gonna get in that EJ buy. Too late.
I think it's gonna be sells.
Well, the 4-hour, it just pinned off of a resistance.
Hmm.
That was such a beautiful entry, man. I hesitated.
Yeah, I think GJ's coming down. To be fair. Yeah, I'm thinking right below here is gonna be the move. I'm gonna go grab another soda real quick because it's kind of flipping and forming resistance now. Because it kind of tapped back into this hourly area right here, this wick. So I'm thinking it went up, grabbed those orders that were left right there, and then if we get below here, which would be this 30-minute, we're gonna come down. But I'm not gonna take it once it makes a new low on this one if it doesn't break here, because it could form that support there, and then that'll be the bottom wick and then go up.
Yeah.
So I want to wait for it to get below here. Plus this stop is like 60 pips, so
Sheesh.
let's see. I'm gonna go grab a soda real quick. Nice.
Yo, what's going on?
Yo.
What's up?
Gonna sell GJ. Hopefully this thing doesn't do it in 3 minutes.
How are spreads looking so far?
2 and 3. About the
Oh,
same
yeah.
as New York session, so I'm
Okay.
getting ready. I don't want this to break this because that's just too big of a candle for a stop loss.
Yeah, yep.
So I'm hoping if it's gonna go up, I'm hoping it's gonna form something here and not break our 30-minute low. Because if it breaks that 30-minute low, I think the hourly is going to come down. Because here we got an hourly resistance that we just closed above and now should hold as support, which means we should stay above this candle. But I have a feeling this one's gonna try to pump.
Even though you're looking at the previous 4-hour being bullish.
Bearish. Look at
Previous
him.
4-hour was bullish.
Look at MT4. What up, Raquel? MT4 is bearish as shit with a wick to fill.
Dude, why is trading view like this,
I
man?
don't know, but I'm gonna just stick with. Yep, exactly. Raquel, you can talk, bro.
That is literally annoying.
I'm just
Hey,
gonna.
how's it going?
Yo, I'm just gonna stick with MT4 and disregard trading views 4-hour, just so it's consistent.
Yeah, I'm kind of with you there.
Raquel,
That's just-
go ahead,
I'm
sorry.
s-
Raquel, does that make sense to you? Like, does that analysis sound correct?
Yeah, I mean, if you're looking at the 15-minute here, like I had kind of like the same levels here. Like I'm looking at to see like once if price breaks below this area, then like you're good to go down. But for buys, I'm mostly looking at price breaking above 126, 200 to continue going up to like back to 127.
Gotcha. How long do those magic keys take to? Is it like a week for shipping?
Well, they'll be sent out tomorrow, so you probably get it by like Monday.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's the same
Sweet.
thing. Awesome.
Freaking pumped.
Yeah, we got 100 come in yesterday, and now we got 8 left.
Damn.
Damn.
Yeah, we ordered 150 more.
Yeah, you need to order more.
How's everyone doing?
What up, Dallas? How's it going?
Easy. Okay, boys, I'm off. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or whoever's in tomorrow. Rakil, take care, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, so you're here too?
Yeah, I tell you what it is. I
Oh,
stay for
yara,
5
oh, yara,
minutes.
tu kya karna hai, yara?
No, I tell you, bro. I listen to food analysis and always go to bed. So this is my
Okay,
last
okay.
thing that I watch. I don't actually trade. Because
Yeah,
I know
makes
Rakil will kill me if I'm trading now, man.
Yeah, I saw you.
I know. So I always just watch, see the analysis and just go to bed. So I know what to do in the morning. You know?
Oh, okay. Alright, bro, sounds good.
Alright, take it, guys. Stay safe, stay strong, huh?
Yep. See you later.
Take care, bud.
I'll just see. Wow. I just entered DJ Styles.
Yep. I'm gonna once it breaks below here, I'm probably gonna leave my stop up here just to be safe. Just because it's been real sloppy lately. But we didn't technically close below here, or no? Yeah, I mean it closed right on it. So I think if it breaks the 30, I think we'll be good.
Damn, that's like a 50 pip stop though.
I mean, yeah,
That's
but I
nice.
mean look at the upside to come down though. It's probably 100, or I mean you got 80 pips of clean traffic. So, if this one wicks up to here and turns around, I'm gonna put my stop on this guy.
Yeah, that's what I would.
But if it was just gonna dump, I was just gonna leave it up here, and then once it felt safe, just get break even as soon as possible.
Yeah.
But no, trying to just adapt to all this.
It would almost be good if this was like a small bullish candle, and then the next one we take, because then we stops can be above this candle. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm up around 10 pips.
Damn nice. Because if it's gonna go up, this should form a support or start to like close above here and start to push up.
Yep.
But this one didn't. This one tapped here, and it still closed down here, so it doesn't look like it had any like push off of it. Like you see how this one it pushed up and then kind of closed really small, pushed down, still did the same thing. So this new low would be down here would be real good to see. Just a massive candle.
Yeah, man, these stops have been not good. I don't like the big stops like that.
Yeah, I mean I didn't like them either, but I feel like we just got to kind of adapt to it. And
Yeah.
See, if you look on the 30-minute, so if you look on the 30-minute, the whole idea is that we had resistance forming here.
Yep.
Candle kind of broke out. You need this candle to close back below this range. So then you can say this move up for the fake out and we can continue down.
Yep.
But if this candle doesn't close back in the range, then I don't know, I guess you have to wait for it to close.
Yeah, that's kind of my thought too. Because if you look at a 30, you could technically have all the way to that wick and then pull right back in.
but it should respect this low as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it respects that low, then
Rakil, are you waiting for the close, or are you going to take it if it makes that low that I was talking about?
I'm gonna wait for this candle to close and see how it closes.
Is there a way to zoom in further on MT4? Because it like won't let me zoom in to a certain point. Is there a setting you can change on that?
I'm not sure. What was that trouble zooming in and out on MT4?
Yeah, I wish it would let me zoom in closer.
Yo, Paul, what's up?
Yo, yo. I was playing Call of Duty before, and then I realized what time it was. I was like, oh crap, I'm gonna be late.
Yeah. Late to work.
Yeah, literally. Right click on MT4 chart and hit zoom. Yeah, the zoom in button is blurred out. I can only click zoom out.
Hey Paul, for MT4,
Yeah.
if you right click on the chart and go to properties and then click the scale fix button, checkbox,
Okay. Then what?
then you should be able to zoom in a lot more.
Scale fixed or 1-to-1 scale fix?
Scale fix. When you change around time frames though, you'll have to click it off. It like does something weird on mine.
Oh, no, it still won't let me zoom in anymore.
Should do if I use the where the numbers are and to the right. If I scroll up and down that.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, and I can click and drag it up and down. That's okay. That's convenient.
Yeah, that's a bit more like trading view.
Yep, perfect. That's so nice.
Steve Ford. I remember that name.
Hey man.
I remember that name. I think I printed your
Oh,
package for
yeah,
shipping.
yeah.
I was trying to like, wait, where have I seen this thing before?
I'm pretty new around here.
Yeah, nice.
You guys have taught me a lot though.
Oh, nice, nice, man. It's just now you just gotta stay focused.
That's it.
And patience.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot you a message on the Discord, Steve.
Yeah, sure.
So you're using parallels. I just got the magic keys too, so I'm gonna talk to you and see how you set up your parallels. I've never used that platform.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Hey, Paul, what are you looking for tonight?
Cells.
Yes. To what zone?
Oh, is that you? Freaking. Your name's not popping up. Oh, it's about to go. Uh-oh. Is it gonna do it? That's you, CJ, right?
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay. Troy still at work?
Yeah, I got off early.
What a nerd. Yeah, if it breaks this low right here, I'm going to take my entries. It's looking like it's having some issues, though. Damn, spread's at 7 right now. Jeez.
Yeah, I've been looking at UJ a lot, Paul. The spread's less than a pip.
Yeah.
And I mean, it makes pretty similar moves to GJ as well.
I was looking for you just sells.
Yep, that's what I'm...
On the 15 minute, it looked like it could parallel.
Yep, that's what I was looking at as well. I thought it was going to break below that because that would have been really clean down for like 15 pips.
Yeah.
But it just pulled all the way back up. Yeah, there's like a little bit of news. Yellow folder in like 7 minutes.
I don't think that should impact it a lot.
No, not too much.
Yeah, no, I don't think it will either.
Ooh. You need to switch that, Josh. So yeah, if we're going up from here, I think we got a really good chance of breaking this. But I think this is definitely the spot to wait for. But this one, if we close bullish here and the next 15 makes a high above that, I think that next target will be up here. Kind of fill this wick. And then if this one closes bullish, it'll probably be a really weak 30-minute bearish close, maybe even bullish. But it's kind of indecisive right now. You're in the US though. Yeah, I'm in the US. I use LMFX.
Morning.
Yo, yo. So what is this line?
How you doing?
Good, good. Oh, that's that previous 4 hour. Yeah. That's kind of irrelevant. Yeah, because I'm thinking we're coming down because this one, I felt like if we were going to go up, we should have respected this wick. And if not this one, we should have at least respected this low, in my opinion. So. Yeah, this could be even better. If this thing gets like a weak close right here, as soon as we break that low, that would be much better stop.
Yep, I like that a lot more.
No, I think I was talking to you, Josh. Oh, no, I was talking to the Josh in the Zoom. Unless that's you.
Hey Paul, I'll send you a video later. I've just found an apartment.
Oh, you did?
Unreal. It's
Nice.
beautiful.
Nice, bro.
Yeah,
What is it like?
I'll show you, like,
Is it like 50 cents a month?
Nah, like so it's a 2-bed apartment. So I'm sharing with another guy.
Nice.
It's a massive pad. It's not a pad, but it's a pad. But the social area is beautiful. Paying about $700 a month.
Each or
right on the,
each or just for
around
you?
the beach. No. So it's like $320, $25 a month each.
$25 a month each?
$325.
Oh, that's not bad at all. That's pretty good.
Yeah, on the beach view, massive cool area, gym, and huge social area. I'll send you a video, man. It's so nice.
Nice.
Find another one for way cheaper, but it didn't have those kind of things.
Yeah, if I would have had my GJ from this morning, it would have came back into, because I entered, where was it? It was right here. I entered once this candle broke here. I sold it down to about here, and my stop was initially right here, so it would have taken me out. But if I would have left it up here, I could have caught that. But I didn't like the idea of getting up almost 20, and then it coming all the way back and going into the negative.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened with my UJ this morning too.
It worked out though, right? You won.
Yeah, I won, but it like came up like I think I was up like 10, and then it pulled back, and I was like, oh man. So it's UJ is a lot slower than GJ was, obviously. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna take it here, and ended up only getting like 6.5, I want to say. And then I looked back probably like an hour later, and it was up like 70, 80 pips.
Damn. But would you have held it for 70, 80 is the question.
Oh, absolutely not. But it was just funny to see it. I was like, oh wow, shit, there we go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I used to do that all the time. Be like, man, I could have snagged like 500 pips, but in reality, my ass would have closed at like 15.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, like even right now, where it hit the wick at the top, it was like 130 pips up. I was like, that's sick and all, but yeah, I would have never held for that much.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, we're kind of closing above here. As we come back in 50 seconds.
It's been known to do wilder things.
Yeah.
Especially recently.
That's for sure. Oh, that's
Let's
scale.
send you a chart.
That's scale
for goals in a
fixes
second.
so
Just let's sort everything out.
It's just funny. I've got like a bunch of like, you know, my dad's older friends and whatnot. They're like probably I would say in their early 50s, right? And they're all messaging me now. They're like, hey, like what's this Forex stuff you're doing? Is it recession proof? And I sent a couple of them yours and Rakil's way this morning when they messaged me.
Sweet. Man, I was hoping for a better close. Did it close bearish still or no? I mean, it still closed bearish, but...
Which one? The
Spreads are still crazy though.
Yeah, up at 7. I mean,
Oh,
we're
you're
in a-
talking 30 minute?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I still think if we get below here, we're going to come down on the hourly. If it goes up, it'll probably fill that wick and keep going. And we could get a buy above here, up into probably here.
Well, what do we have over here? 30-minute candle closed above 125.550.
Yep.
Current 30-minute candle is also above the 15-minute as well. But the spreads are wild, man.
Mm-hmm. Every
Welcome
Asian
to
said.
Asia.
Yep.
5 pip spread. Fuck that.
Yeah, it's been real hard to trade these lately because the moves are so
Seriously.
clear. And then spread comes in at like fucking 5 or 8 pips. It's ridiculous.
The world is coming to an end, boys. I'm telling you, go to the bank, get cash, and keep it under your pillow. Because when the banking system drops, oh man.
I've been told by many people to go get cash right now.
Oh yeah, I've been withdrawing and getting cash. I went to the bank today. So last week I took out around 15,000. Went to the bank this morning again. I got another 10. They're like, max you can take it 3. I'm like, what? Yeah, they're limiting cash to 3,000, man. It's getting real.
Yeah, I heard actually some really bad news today that AT&T basically owns the servers, for cellular data. And
Yeah.
because they have so many people working from home now using the data, that they're predicting a big like flash crash really soon here, which is like, dude, they own everything.
Yep.
It's not going to be good if the cell towers blow soon.
Yeah, that would suck.
I can't even fathom how much that's going to affect every single industry in the world.
Over something that's not even that. Like, it's killing what, like 2% of like 4% of the population?
Yeah, we just had our first death, unfortunately, in my town today, and like the town's going crazy.
Was it like an elderly person?
I mean, he was 50, which is I wouldn't really consider that elderly.
No. Was he healthy?
It hasn't really fully came out yet. I only know because my dad's a police officer, and of course they're first responders, so they know. But I'm sure it's going to get all put out within the next day or two.
That's wild.
Yeah, EJ was definitely the peer to trade this session. Even that wick fill that came in later was.
Did it happen?
On point. Yeah, and I was in for the wick fill, but it started pulling back and I got out.
Yeah, GJ's rising too. Spreads are still wild.
Yeah.
Still gotta break that high though.
COVID-19 is in the building.
COVID-19 sounds like a chant. Like you hear like Coachella 2020, like COVID-19. Sounds like one of those chants.
Yeah, it would have been much more scarier if it was called like CR21 or something like that.
Yeah.
After CR21, you're gonna get CR22, man.
I read that the flu death rate was higher than corona.
Yeah.
Man, people are just overreacting. I was talking to my friend, he's a doctor. He's like, this is going to be a normal disease in the coming years. Everyone's going to get it.
What's up, boys?
It'd be like getting a cold.
But
hey, how are you?
Yeah, exactly. It's just people being idiots. That's all it is.
Are you talking about the corona?
Yeah.
Coronavirus. Yeah, man, if people stop wiping their ass with toilet paper and start using water, maybe there's going to be more hygienic people around. But I got a feeling you take a buy in GTA right now. You can go up to 126. 3 handfuls.
So we're looking at pound yen.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Let me look at. You sent me a message. Let me see. You said I fell asleep, man. Right after you sent me that. Let me look again. You said 5 to 10. Pick 3 hours of the 5. Oh, okay. See, I didn't know that you had to trade between 5 to 10. I thought New York was New York.
Yeah, I got a position on GJ right now. I took a buy, smaller lot size. Stop is below the 15-minute candle, so that's around like 24 pips.
There you go. Spreads came down a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm eyeing up gold just in your chart.
Okay, so I guess I'll trade between 7 to 10. 7 to 10. Okay.
Yeah, daily kind of filled that. Did you get in down here, Rakil?
No, I got in at 125.938.
Oh, so you're still up. You're not even. You're still up more.
Yes, sir. Yeah, if you go to the 30-minute, I'm expecting this current 15-minute candle to stay bullish. And if it stays bullish, that means the 30-minute has created a low. And then it should continue moving up to 126.200.
Yep.
Because, you know, like you had resistance here, this candle closed above. This candle closed bearish, but also it closed above.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Yeah, if it gets above this wick, I think you're going to be more than good up to here.
Oh yeah, by the way, I think we were getting 2 checks. Y'all seen that?
For what?
What?
You know how they was talking about we're supposed to be getting checks for everybody who make under like 65,000 or something like that?
Oh.
Yeah, I think they say we're getting 2 checks.
I want some of those checks. How can I get them?
I'm saying, I say that's more trade money for me.
Man, I want those checks too.
Most of my money tax free, so I'm about to get me a nice check.
$603.
I think it's like, well, they say 1,000, but I think they say they're still working on the numbers. So. I can't say I decided to flip my Trump tag. That's what I'm about to do too.
JRP, since you entered this position with a smaller lot size and you said you had a larger stop loss, would you still be scaling out your position at 10 pips or 13, whatever?
Yes. Exactly.
Hi, yo.
Howdy.
T-Bone.
Morning.
Not much. Looking at GJ buys?
Rakil's in buys right now, yeah.
Yevon, do you trade gold?
You say gold?
Yeah.
I scalp it.
Oh, cool. I'll just if you check the Zoom chat, I'll just put a chat in there. So if you are eyeing it up, that's what I see at the moment.
So nice having a computer that responds when you click shit. The other one, I'd be like, okay, new tab. And 5 minutes later. What is this one where you, is this yellow one where you'd be selling and this is where you got a buy stop there and this is a sell stop, I'm assuming?
Yeah, so it's just in a bit of a range at the moment. I'm more inclined for it to go down. So I've got a further, I've got like another runner as well, but it's like much further down. So yeah,
You're
I'm just anticipating.
You're anticipating a drop?
Yeah.
Okay.
But if this next candle closes bullish and above these previous bodies, I reckon it'll pump up before it pushes back down.
Gotcha. How come you have it above these wicks and not these as well?
I don't know. For me, that would be. It depends on how these next one's closes. So this one closes bullish, and the next one following closes bullish. It gives it enough space then to then push up. I've just found when I've traded gold.
Yeah, no, I'm just wondering what your analysis was. I think it looks fine. I was just curious.
What's your time frame on the chart?
15.
So this one
15
minutes.
Okay.
That one now. Yeah. And I've just taken it to the 50 moving average or just below.
If this one,
it's more inclined for sales than buys. So that one I've just got it to that one.
I feel like if this one can't get above here, because it's not above it on MT4 yet, I think it's going to come back down and break the low here, and then we'll probably have the hourly closing bearish. But if it does break the high, I think it definitely will probably continue. It just hasn't done it on MT4 yet. It's kind of been just kind of sitting there for the whole last half.
Jeez Louise, I'm in. And I'm cashing out now.
Yeah, just be careful. Like these huge candles, they come back quick.
No, I'm out. I'm done.
You done? Okay.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, that's the thing with gold. Like it moves like so fast.
Yeah, man, that was a nice easy 2%. Thank you very much.
Come on, why is trading view so damn slow?
Yeah, something like that.
It's like that for you guys too?
Not right now, but it was before.
Okay, I was gonna say, because everything else is just like zipping. So if gold goes up, then GJ probably will come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's me done in 20 minutes. Happy days.
One, 2, 5, 6, 2, 3. That would be right there, and then we should come down. Close bearish. So this one, if we're going up, we should either go up and break above here, or not get below here. Yeah, spread's a little high, but I think that's just what we're going to have to deal with for Asian session until everything's cooled off, to be fair. Oh, made a new high. I think it broke that wick too to the left. Just about.
On MT4?
Yeah, it just tapped it, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of got above, so I think it should be fine. Yeah, it's coming close to the high of the previous 4 hour, which is on my MT4 is right here. So yeah, if it breaks that, I definitely think buys look good up to there.
Wait, you guys took GJ buys, right?
Rakil did, I didn't.
Yeah, same here. I'm sitting on the sidelines.
Yeah. Should have took that. Well, should have looked at that gold trade, man. Oh, in and out in a minute.
No, I don't.
Perfection.
I don't trade gold.
Fair.
No,
That's
I honestly I would, but my broker, like I said, it's like a 40 pip spread for gold, so I'd rather not.
Woo.
Hey, Ash, I got a question.
Hello. Yeah.
What are your thoughts on gold when it breaks up for previous 4 hour? You think it will continue going up?
I don't know. For me now, I probably won't look at gold again until London, because what I'm thinking about now is because Asians have just been a bit trash this week. I just try and get one trade in. And normally I do like staggered, like I'll do a staggered and stacking type trade, but with how the market's moving at the moment, I'm not doing that. So I'll just enter one trade, just be in and out. I say in and out. That trade there was how many pips? That trade there was like 70 pips in a minute, you know. So I'll just in out, and then I'll just come back to London and see if there's another setup. So like yesterday, did the same. Like the Asian session was just a bit trash. Lost one trade, but then got into GU sales and just made crazy pips. So yeah. I personally now found it more effective. I think Paul was saying it as well, and I think Raja as well. You know, just trade like your session, because if you sit on the front of the charts all day, you might have an idea in your mind, and you're trying to battle the market. I found it more. I found it easier to look at the charts for like a couple hours, get a trade in, and then walk away. And then if I do come back, I look at how the patterns of formations have formed, and then I can get a better inkling of what the market's moving, on how the market's moving, what setup I should be looking for, if that makes sense.
Got it. Thank you for that.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Signed all my paperwork today for the funding, so sent all that off. So fingers crossed, tomorrow Monday I'll have the capital.
Man, so the GJ buys would have paid out.
Yep.
Yeah, I got out at this last push up, and now I got to run it running.
Nice.
There you go. Yeah, that 15-minute close, yeah, gave about 10 pips, probably more. Man.
Yeah, Henry. Yeah, for the FTMO thing. Yeah.
Not sure who was asking about like USD CAD sales yesterday.
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, I finally got in this afternoon, and it looks like it's coming down.
UC got sales. If I got in, they would have worked out. Like you said, it happened overnight, like how you were saying.
Yeah, there was no volume yesterday, but it looks like it's moving right now.
Yeah, I know. I just missed my entry on USD CAD, so I don't want to enter anymore. I was just waiting for it to break the 30-minute support right there, and I just missed it. Because I was waiting for it to create a more of a top wick on the 30-minute, but it didn't.
Ooh, these are some sick buys.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yeah, I wish I got in. I still like how it closed below that wick, that previous wick.
If it gets above that 200 area, it's gonna go.
Yeah, I can't wait until this coronavirus thing is over and we back to work.
Yeah.
Because this is dangerous. I almost blew my account today, like um, scalping Bitcoin and gold. I've been like doing like 10 to 15 trades a day.
Damn.
From like 2 to like 10 to 15.
Jeez.
Joe, you crazy?
Yeah.
It's getting dangerous.
Sounds like you need to chill out.
No, that is dangerous, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm working more on the demo account so I can work on my setups and stuff like that, so I can feel more confident and get back in the trade, or not getting back into getting in the trade.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get MT4 off my phone. Because sometimes I open the phone, I'm like, I can get into that cell. I see the setup.
Yeah, that's what I do. Trust me. Yeah.
Nah.
That's the best thing you can do for yourself is bleed off your phone.
You lose, goose.
Mm-hmm. Or setting up a trade and your battery die and then you didn't set your stop loss. Nah, you setting yourself up for the okie doke. That's worse than having the corona.
The okie doke. I've never heard that term or phrase before.
Yeah. But what I've been doing is that like I have a pretty small account, so like as soon as like the New York session is over, I take all the money out of the MT4, put it in the wallet, and leave like $100. So like if I'm gonna lose that while I'm just doing this dumb stuff, it's fine.
Damn, that hourly looks beautiful.
Looks like it's gonna go.
Yeah, I think we're at a really good resistance right now, like that 126,200. So.
Yep, that's a 4-hour
Just
high.
waiting for it. Yeah, I'm waiting for like a break above or show resistance, whatever.
Yeah, I'd like to see it push above, and then it's probably going to pull back, form a support, and then come back up.
We out here.
Yeah, if it closes below this wick, I think that's kind of our zone, and we'll be coming back down. Because this is kind of our little resistance here and here. So we should ideally get above that. I think if it breaks this low, I think I'll take it. Oh, or maybe. Oh boy. Yeah, this wick is way deeper on MT4. Look at the 30. So yeah, I think your safe one, if we break below here, we're going to come down. The hourly is going to start coming down. 4 hour will flip and come down as well. Or this 30-minute wick's just going to get filled, but if that happens, this low shouldn't be broken.
I'm gonna head out for today.
Sounds good. Have a good night.
I'm too tired. I don't wanna make a mistake now.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep. Probably
Like download on your phone.
No. I have it on my phone, but I just look at it to see the spreads and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna head out. I'm probably gonna trade pre-New York.
Alright, man.
Peace out.
Ciao, bella.
Alright, man. Be safe.
So that was an hourly close. This is Asian Open now. So yeah, we got kind of not a super good hourly close. It looks like it rejected off of there, or it's going to either fill the wick. But like I said, I think if we get below here, we're going to be breaking. This will be our hourly low, I think, 466. 460. So yeah, this is the hourly low. So yeah, if we get below here, I think we're going to break below here, and then we will be coming back down on the 4 hour.
I mean, either way, it's super clean above like that 4 hour zone.
Yep.
Like above like the 126, 330 area. Like it's so clean up there.
Yep.
And then vice versa, same thing. It's clean coming down as well. Once we get, right where your mouse is below there.
Yep. Yeah. Either way, it looks really good. Just gotta wait for it. But ideally, like if this is just gonna be a wick fill and this little pullback was just kind of right at open, and we're gonna continue up, we shouldn't break. We shouldn't break the 30-minute low, because look, it didn't break a low, didn't break a low, didn't break a low, didn't break a low, didn't break a low. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 30-minute candles that all made higher lows. If we're going to keep going up, we should keep making those higher lows. We shouldn't wick down and then drive back up.
Yeah.
If it does do that...
Trade?
What?
Did Keel end up taking profits on his?
Yeah, he secured. I don't know if he got hit at break even. What up, Melo? What up, Vert? I think it's just grabbing those orders on the hourly, and then it'll start to come down. Yeah, your safest one's probably the entry ones you break below here. But I think the 30 minutes gonna work just as good if we get that opportunity. Because this was our original high or low, and here's our low. So if we create a higher low, kind of like here or in here, that'll be below there, and then we should come down to the low again. And spreads are kind of normal now. So. It's just a really, really hard rejection on that. Excuse me. Yeah, I see a 4 hour. It's definitely pushed bullish, but it hasn't broken up here. And it made this low below both of these. So that's why I'm kind of leaning more towards the sells unless we get above here. But yeah, we got 55 minutes left. And we'll see what happens.
Well, this was a nice, slow, painful session that turned out to be okay.
Did it get you at break even?
Yeah, I had two positions. One stopped at break even, and the other took profits.
Nice.
Nice. There you go. Well done.
Yep, I like that. It looks good.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, I think if we do get above here, buys are going to be perfect. But it hasn't done that yet, so I'm still leaning more towards the sells if we get below here.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna head off. Take care, everybody.
All right, man. Good night, bro.
Ciao.
See you later.
After yourself.
Yeah, don't make out with weird people. You might get corona.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I'm in trouble.
Uh-oh.
Don't go licking doorknobs and handrails.
Yeah,
Don't be looking out with those shorties there, man. You gotta be careful, man.
Oh, man. There's so many.
Shorty's been running around with some COVID-19.
Nah, man. I got sent a thing the other day about how Vietnam is just like completely like sound from virus at the moment.
Yes.
Like the infection rate is crazy low.
Yep, it's very low. South Korea is also very low right now.
Yeah.
South Korea till last week they had around 800 cases, and right now they have like 90.
Really?
Yeah.
Sheesh. I think there's what 50, 60 cases here, and I think all of them are field.
Man, I think all these numbers are just coming from someone's 1-year-old banging on a keyboard. That's where these numbers are coming from. Because, like, I'm watching TV, and they're like, we have a breaking news, there are 2 more cases in Toronto, and I'm like, whoa, relax. Like, it's like voting, like, minute-by-minute reports we're getting, like, Jesus.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Funny, man.
And every new case, my dad calls me. Are you still going to Miami? I'm like, yeah, stop watching the news. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Like a couple of my friends, they work in the they're like full-time bartenders. They work at the bar. The bars are closed
Yep,
They're
that's
like,
what happened to Lauren too.
yeah, and they're like, now what do we do? Where's our money, government? Yeah.
Yeah, a load of places closed here, but they're also, I think they're starting to reopen a little bit, but there's still places.
Yeah, there's some daredevils still open, you know, some cowards.
Yeah. Yeah.
In Texas, they started buying guns. We're gonna shoot this goddamn coronavirus out of the sky.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, this one time they had a hurricane and they got guns to shoot that bitch out of the sky.
Oh my
That's
god.
not how it works, man. Well, Frankie. Alright, guys, I'm gonna head off. Take care.
Yep, see you later.
See ya.
Yeah, I'm thinking if it breaks this 15 minute, because this has a longer wick on the 15 minute. If it breaks that, I think we're gonna.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of too. A sell if it breaks this current 15.
Yep.
Or the previous 15.
Yes, sir.
Stops are way bigger than imagined, but I'm gonna do half risk.
Yep, same.
Is that 20 pips?
It's big. I'm gonna put mine up here just to be safe because it's been real messy lately.
About 40 pips then.
Yeah, it's a big one. Mine says where price is at right now from here to here is 30.4. So once it gets below here, it'll probably be higher. But spreads are pretty normal right now, so that's good. But I think just playing it safer with the stop loss, and then we'll have a bigger target. So I think we can target down to like here. But having that safer stop will be much better so risk about 37 for like, I don't know, 80 or 100. So we'll see.
What's your current spread?
It's bouncing around between 2 and 3.
Oh wow.
Jumped up to 3.5 just now, so. Yeah, I think we're coming down on the 4 hour to be fair. Because it came this close to breaking the high of the 4 hour. I feel like it shouldn't have rejected that hard. Why shorts? My previous 4 hour on MT4 is bearish, so I mean that means I'm looking for shorts. Yep. Yeah, I see buys if we get above here, but it's about to give me my new low, and we're still under there. Didn't break the 4 hour, so that still fits my plan. So I'm just following my plan. But if it doesn't get below here, there will be no entry for me. So just waiting for my last confirmation of a new low to then support my bias that we should make new lows then. Because if this one makes a low, which remember this wick on MT4 is a little deeper, we got a lower high, lower low, we should start to do that. We should come break the 30 minute, and then hourly should make some lows as well. Because we have not. Because we wicked up almost all of the way to hourly. We didn't get up there. Granted, no bottom wick yet, so we'll see what happens. I just see there's just a lot of wicks up here and over here. So yep, exactly. And if we're gonna break above, we shouldn't make a new low. Shouldn't make a lower low candle, because not a single previous made a lower low. And like if you look at all of these, not one. This one did, but it didn't break that low, which would have been the 30 minute. And with all this so-called rejection, we should have been able to break below. But still no entry just yet.
You're looking more for a sell though, right? Sorry, I wasn't here extreme.
Oh my god. Yeah, sells. Until if it doesn't give me a new low though, then I won't have a sell entry.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
No,
but,
I caught the end part of it.
Okay.
I just about like 2 seconds ago.
Yep. Yeah. It kind of wick. There's a bunch of wicks up here with the 4 hour, so I think, if it gives a new low, like a lower low on a 15, that it will. The 4 hours should, flip and come back.
Yeah, I got my support and resistance line a little bit higher than yours, though, like right around 125,746. So the breaks below that are going for a sell.
Same thing if this 15-minute closes and doesn't make a low, then a break below that. Yep, so if it gets below this 15-minute, that will be good. But it kind of looks like it could have formed a support here, which if it did, it should stay above and go up. But I think it's going to wick up a little bit, grab some of those orders, and then come down, personally. Is what I'm seeing. Because we got a ton of rejection up there. Yeah, it broke a low on that one of them, but it didn't break a 30-minute low. So, but if you look at the 30-minute, none of the 30-minute lows were broken. So, in this previous 15-minute didn't break the low either. So, if this one does break that low, I think the 4 hour will come down. Yep, if that's what you want to wait for is the 30-minute, then that's definitely what you should wait for. Oh, I can zoom in more. Let's go. Beautiful. Magic keys are going to make this so much easier. I don't have to lean forward on my desk on my mouse.
I'd be interested to see how it works for everyone.
Yeah, I'm excited. Because sitting here holding my mouse, getting ready to click it, when you got to do it for like 10, 15, 20 minutes at a time, it
just adds anxiety, right?
Yeah, no, my fingers just, they like twitch. It just like tapped the low. It didn't break it yet. It's getting there. All right. A minute. I think we can target this whole clean candle here. Higher time frame, yeah.
Yo, Paul, is your channel being suppressed?
Is my what?
Channel being suppressed.
Is my channel being suppressed?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
So like YouTube like not showing that your streams are playing, etc. Because it wasn't showing me this morning, and like, a couple of my friends have just messaged me saying that it's not showing as well.
I mean, it's
Like
working.
I had to manually go to your profile and then go through there. And it's even then it was just a bit hard to find.
I mean, it's working for me.
Same thing.
You can't see my previous videos?
No. So, for example, usually when you, Monty, or Roger's doing the stream, it comes up in our first home screen thing, and if you look on your subscriptions, it comes up there.
Ooh, let's go. That's 5.
And it's just not showing unless you go directly to your page, and even then sometimes it doesn't show up.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
So like it doesn't show my channel?
Yeah, so so for example, I came on this morning, your so when I load it up, it doesn't pop up my front thing. When I go to subscriptions, it's not there. It's not only until I have to go to manually directly to your channel that it will show up.
I don't know.
Yeah, I noticed that as well. But what I have is it just have what is it like notification as soon as
I have the notification
so like
set up on my phone.
pops up.
It didn't give me a notification. No, it did give me a notification today, but still, some people don't. Some people just wait for to just pop up in the recommended and subscriptions bit. I'm just saying that's what I've noticed.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
And it's not just me. It's like my mates as well. Because I've been spreading the word around.
Huh? Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. Yep, my previous 15 broke below. Yep, I'm up. I mean, I'm up 2 pips, but got a 3 spread as well. So broke the previous 2 15 minutes. It has not broke the 30 minute yet. So hopefully it can do that as well. Thanks for the like. Yeah, I mean, the 4 hour might not completely flip. If it does, we're going to catch a real golden nugget, that's for sure. But I think it can pull down 10, 20 pips, give us a nice trade, maybe get break even, let the runner do some work. Yeah, that new 30-minute low is going to be, I think, our last little issue that we got to get past, which will be right here. So oh man, you missed all the analysis. I've done it twice already.
It stops above this current candle, so hopefully it doesn't pull all the way back up.
Yeah, I got mine all the way above just because GJ has been real messy in Asian session, just to be safe. So analysis, previous 4 hours bearish.
Same here, Mike.
This thing made a new low. And yeah, I mean, kind of the same analysis as always. Took it once it made a new low. So right when it broke below this previous one, I took it. And we had this rejection up here. this looks like it was rejecting up there as well, so I'm just anticipating the 4 hour to come back down, because this is our low, this is kind of our higher low, so this is our new higher low I'm expecting, and now I'm expecting us to come back to the low, or at least halfway. So there we go. There's 13 for me and 12. I'm gonna secure 13, go break even.
Yep, I just secured as well. Got 12 on both.
Yep, nice job. So yeah, you guys should have had a winning trade right there. Look at that. Hopefully this thing can be a golden nugget and drop 30, 40 pips. Sweet, that was nice. Nice and easy and simple.
Man, I would be out at 10 pips right now because I got in kind of late, but the spread is it's killing me. It seems like one good push and I'm good.
Yeah.
Every time it gets close, the spread widens up.
Yep. So the idea, if you look at your 4 hour on MT4, it's going to be bullish. Or on TradingView, it'll be bullish, but your MT4 for previous 4 hour is bearish like this with a wick that needed to be filled. So just like this. So it looks like this candle and this candle next to each other on MT4. We broke the 30. I think we should get below here and get a nice little push. There's 15. There we go. I had a really good morning, so I'm gonna see if we can let this one run down to, let's not do 70. I don't want to be greedy. Let's see if we can hit 50.
125.40, 240. That's what.
Yep, 125, 240. Let's see if we can hit 50 pips.
I wonder
Hopefully
if
it
they
doesn't get us that
124
break even.
How you pushing it, brother?
Sometimes you gotta shoot for the stars, especially if you break even like I am now. Like, just why not, you know?
Yeah, but I mean 50 pips, like that's a nice ass trade.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Oh, here we go. This could be
stop loss. Trail the stop loss manually.
This could be our nugget.
There you go. Come on, baby. 124 even. Let's go, baby.
Come on, just follow a quick 40 pips in a minute candle. We're not asking too much. Come on. We have realistic expectations. I'm really hoping it doesn't come back to break even. It's back to like 5 pips now. But we secured 13, so that was good. This will either be a really, really nice runner or it's going to come back. Oh yeah, I've been break even since like 2 minutes in. Once I got, I kind of jumped past 10 really quick. So I actually got to get like 13 and a half, almost 14 on my first position. And now we are at break even. So
that pullback just stopped me out.
Damn. Yeah, I'm still at 7. I really want it to keep coming down. No, chill out, chill out, chill out. I know if I close it, it's just going to keep...
Yeah, dude. I don't even... I was going to leave I placed 2 trades because this was the one I was going to leave a runner, and we got up 12 so quick. My rule is if we go up like 12 or 13 real quick, dude, it always pulls back on me.
Yeah, I just know if it hits me at break even, I'll be okay. But I know if I close it, it's just going to fall. So I'm just... I had a good morning, so this one's kind of just... If I get extra, cool. If not, I made extra since I won twice this morning.
Yeah, and plus if you're already at break even, it's a risk-free trade. You might as well just leave it. Just relax and you're good.
Because it's got a ton of potential.
Good stuff.
Yeah, that was a nice, quick, easy one. No drawdown.
Yeah, that was real nice.
Beautiful.
And especially having the stop at 15 pips makes me so much more comfortable.
Yep. Yeah, I felt really I felt real safe with the stop all the way up there. I was like, I gotta be really, really, really wrong for this to hit this stop loss.
Yeah, yours was really safe. I put it above the current, but my thoughts are every time we have that 15-minute that drives with momentum. I mean, realistically, like you said, it should have made a higher high here if it was going to continue going up.
Yep.
And it didn't. So it had further confirmation that I was going to fall, and I realized that the momentum was going to come with it.
Yep. And we broke the 30-minute low, so now we're just got to kind of get through this hourly. And I think we'll be good. And if this closes bearish too, below here, I think we'll be... If it can close a little lower, that would be nice. But I think this is going to... I think this last 30 minutes of the 4 hour, if it stays bearish, could run real hard. Looking like one of these kind of candles.
Yep. I would just be... The only area of concern is right to the left there where we had those like 3 or 4 wicks. That would be about it.
Yeah, right here.
Yep, that's like the only area. If it passes that, I mean, that's clean as hell all the way down.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it should have broke that 30-minute, but yeah, this could be the area that brings us back up. But this close is going to be important. I mean, yeah, 5 minutes all still bearish, It looks like it's just kind of making a top wick on a 5 minute, so hopefully it doesn't pull up too hard and it can drop down a little bit.
That's good. We took a win in New York this morning and a win in Asia. That's a solid day.
Yep. Yeah, I really want this runner to run though, to be honest.
Yeah, that'd be a really
I
nice
really
run.
wanted to just freaking smash this 50 pips.
I mean, shoot, a runner to the bottom where I think if it passes those wicks, it's going to the bottom. That's 113 pips.
Yeah, I mean, we could even try and hit 70. We'll see. I'm sitting at about 8 pips right now, so maybe my runner's gonna get lucky and be like, you know what, we really kicked you in the ass on Sunday, Monday, so here you go. Yep. Thanks, Argo. Thanks, Tamid. Nobody showed up today because we lost on Sunday, Monday, and now they missed a pretty nice one, I would say. It was quick. That's always good.
They sweep, they lose.
Yep.
Yeah. A little bit of waiting, but totally fine.
Yeah, it was worth the wait. I had a gut feeling on the sells, and I think we should break this support because we had. If you look at it, like we had 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to go up, so I feel like we should come down as long as this closes bearish in 30 seconds. Who's ever drawing, you're way past my break-even stop loss, so that candle's not going to work for me.
Oh, no, I'm just drawing a rocket ship, a reverse rocket ship.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, I see now. Perfect.
Oh, that's back to 2
Oh, no,
pips.
come on.
Oh, shit.
Come on, 7 seconds, close bearish and go boom boom. Yeah, I think I only got 3 pips of breathing room, so I don't know. Come on, run down. Don't
Shit,
be
like, dude, I get so happy when we have nice trades like this, man.
Yeah, I just really
You know
want
what I'm
this
saying? It's just
runner.
like,
I just
it makes
really
you feel
want.
good for the whole night.
Yeah, I really want this runner to do something, but I don't think I'm gonna get that lucky. And runner is out.
Yeah, I got stopped out too.
Oh man.
That's all right. We still had a good trade. You secured.
Yeah, I gave back 17. Oh well. We won. That's important, but those runners, they feel so good when those runners just like freaking take off. Yeah, it kind of looks like it tapped into this support. Hourly. Yeah, I mean, if it stays below this 15, it'll probably keep coming down. If it breaks above, it's probably going to go up this 30 minute. But we got a lower low and a lower high, so I feel like we should see more downside. Yeah, I secured about 14, and then I had my runner break even, and I had a really good morning, so I was just gonna let it go, win or lose, or break even or win a shit ton, and break even was where we went.
I put in the chat because I'm kind of curious to see how many people took this trade and actually won. So if you took this trade and you won, put a W in the chat.
Yeah, I wonder how many people actually did take it.
Yeah, because I mean today we've only got obviously way less. We've only got about 130 people on here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just kind of curious to see how many people are on here actually taking trades, or if they're on here just for like kind of learning and like visual. Invest in yen, take a win, 10 pips is solid.
There you go. Yeah, I'm not mad about the runner. I'm trying to get better at holding my runners longer. So when they get stopped out, it doesn't let me practice holding it longer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree with you because I think once I have magic keys, it's going to be a lot easier for me to just click that 50%.
Yeah.
There we go. We got a few W's in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How much does it cost for the magic keys?
Like 144. Yeah, if you guys want the magic keys, Mr. Rakeel actually just hooked me up today.
10 pips a day keeps the doctors away, boys.
Yep. So if you click right here, he gave me like a little affiliate link. You can click that link and then buy the magic keys. I think they're 144. Probably take about 4 to 5 days to get once they're shipped. So if you are looking into getting them and you want to kind of support what I got going on here, just click this little Magic Keys link here to do so. That was a nice one. I think this will still come down, but either way, it was a good win. Mary
Yeah, I
won
just,
too.
got in
Nice
some,
job.
I just got in some gold shorts for 2 minutes and just smashed another, how many pips?
Oh, gold came down
Like,
too.
yeah, man, like it just, no, literally just this minute, I got in, 14.95 and just pop, hit my TP straight away.
Yeah.
That's 5 minutes of trading today, and that's three and a bit percent.
There you go. Ours kind of did the same thing, sort of.
Whew, should have had a runner.
Something says blood type O are more resistant to COVID-19.
Oh, god damn it. What kind of shit are you listening to?
I don't know, man. Just some random stuff popped up. I don't think that makes a difference, but
Listen to yourself. Alright, yeah, so I'll put it in the Telegram chat. I'll show you the pad that's going to cost me just over $300 a month. This is like the social area. So this is going to be trading as of tomorrow.
I got 8 pips because of the spread. I know, man.
Yo, who's got music playing?
Shit, that's my bad, bro. I'm posting a story right now saying that we got a win on here. I was about to tag you, and I didn't realize I was not on mute.
No, you're good. I was just gonna tell you to shut it.
No, I know. I always mute myself, but I don't know why I didn't.
Yeah, I still think GJ's coming down. It's just it might dick around like it usually does. Asian GJ sells. Right. And I recorded my losses as well.
Yeah, I think you're right, Paul. I'm waiting on a good, if this closes bullish, the bearish candle comes right after, I'll get in for the sell.
Look at all them wins, man.
Yeah, that's
nothing
3.
but dubs.
It's 3 today.
Let's go.
Nothing but dubs, man. Dub City.
There ain't no coronavirus here.
Nah.
There was Sunday, Monday.
It was, but it was a fluke.
Yeah, but
you know what I mean?
In the grand scheme of things, doesn't fucking matter.
Yeah.
Hey, solid win today, guys. I'm gonna go for a run. You guys be safe tonight, alright?
Yep, be safe on that run.
Be safe for the run, man. Just don't professional door now.
I'm wearing my mask. Don't worry about me.
Don't be making out with no strangers.
I'm trying not to, bro.
Try not to, yeah, good luck.
Lick no doorknobs, man.
That was... So yeah, I think it's just going to wake up into here again. And then if you did take an entry somewhere in here and you put your stop up here, I think you should be good. But I think you're better off waiting for...
Yeah, that's an aggressive sell up there.
Yeah, I feel like you're better off waiting for a new low, kind of like we did. Just to kind of confirm that it should come down. But it is coming into the last like 15 minutes of the 4 hour. And if it does that, then this 4 hour will close bullish, and the next one is probably going to wick and continue up to here. So then your buys above here would probably make sense. And no, Raja, he took a buy, secured some profit, then got hit at break even and went on about his evening. Kind of thinking maybe if you were to put a buy stop above here, this thing's probably going to be a nice trade.
Yeah, boys, I'm gonna pop off now. I'm gonna go get some stuff done, and I'm gonna get up for New York again tomorrow. New York's been really solid.
Mm-hmm.
Paul, you gotta quit sleeping in, brother.
I know. I messed up this morning, but I still made up for it. But 5 o'clock entry would have been much better. It was a way bigger one.
Yeah, prime sells this morning.
Yeah, you guys should get to this side of the world. You can trade every session, like 6 a.m. Asian, 12 o'clock London, 7 o'clock New York. You can trade any session, anytime, any day.
Yeah, no, I don't want to trade every session.
I know, but like, it gives you an option.
No, that's way too much trading for me. Because you trade for the freedom, so if you're going to do that, you might as well just go get a real job that you don't have to worry about risking your money. You just get a paycheck every time.
True that.
Because the idea for trading is to have all this free time. Because you only have to work maybe a few hours. Maybe you get lucky, you only work for 20 minutes in the morning, and that's it. But if you want to do 3 to 4 hours each session and do every session, that's a 12-hour day. 5 days a week, 5.5 days, because Sunday's kind of like a half day.
Yeah. Right now it's just Asian and London for me.
I have yet to do London.
Yeah, I've never traded London.
Yeah. But I hear people that wake up like 3 in the morning and 4 in the morning and do that. It's crazy.
I feel like more than 2 is overkill.
What's up?
I feel like more than like 1 or 2 sessions is overkill.
Yeah.
Well, if you have like things to do, like you could do like 4 or 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. That's a good 3 hours. You basically catch like the intel of London and then a little bit of New York.
We're all in different time zones, so.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, I'm about to go find something to eat.
Why do people message me and say, you're not going live? What do you mean? Does it not pop up for people?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It popped up for me, but I'm not sure why.
Yeah, I got a notification on my phone. But maybe YouTube doesn't want you to be great, Paul.
I don't know. It's normally the same 2 or 3 people that will message me every single day after I've been live for an hour or 2 if I'm going live.
Just tell them to turn their alerts on. You can turn that bell and it will like text your phone.
I've told them 4 days in a row. Yes, I'm live every day, Sunday through Thursday, roughly at this time, every single day, no exceptions. But I still get a message a couple hours before if I'm going to go live, and then another message after I'm already live.
Wait, Paul, you're live streaming all these? No.
Yeah.
Stop it right now.
It's on this thing called YouTube, I think. YouTube, something like that.
Oh, YouTube. Yeah.
YouTube, yeah. That's what it's called, YouTube.
This could set up nicely for more buys.
Yeah. And like, I'm fine with the questions. Like, you can ask questions all you want, but when I hear the same question 6 days in a row, twice a day. Was there a lot of swearing recently? No. No, I don't think so. I didn't get the magic keys yet. Yeah, see, this kind of wicked up into here. Probably gonna start to head down. I don't think it matters. The broker doesn't matter. Your computer is what matters. Because your broker is not a software running your computer, which is I think what it needs to work with. It doesn't show I'm live. Well, that's messed up.
Reading with Paul. No, it
No,
doesn't
it
say
shows
live.
It shows live for me on my homepage.
When I click it, it is live, but it doesn't say, like, before you click it, it doesn't say live. That's weird.
Yeah, well, I'm on the channel and it says live.
Yeah. It says 1 hour ago, but, like, it's still going, so that's weird.
Hmm.
They don't want you to succeed.
Yeah, I clicked live Forex trading. Yeah, it doesn't pop up on the live ones. It brings up all my old videos, but none of the...
I'm watching on my phone, and it shows like a little red live thing on the actual video. So
It might be like a bug or something, because I realized that's how mine was set up like that earlier when I was streaming, and I had to actually go to like my videos to see it.
Hey, is that the same guy who said you'll get some food?
Yeah, but you know, I said, man, you know, I didn't want to leave you out hanging.
Nah, I'm messing with you. You know what? I'm actually going for a sell right now. Yep, taking a sell.
Ooh, there we go.
The cat said, "That's sick." Try to throw me on the bus, man.
Yeah, if this closes bearish with that wick on the top, I'm definitely going in. Yep.
Which one? GJ?
Yeah, I think that thing could run. If it gets below this one, it could make a nice little move.
Spreads are up at 6 pips again. God damn it.
Oh, you took a buy on GJ earlier? Dallas?
I did? Oh yeah, I did. And I got stopped out at break even.
But you closed 10 as well?
No, I only took one position. I did win oh yeah, I'm sorry, way back at like 6 o'clock. Yeah, I got 10 I got 11 pips. My bad. I forgot about that. But that whole candle ended up turning bearish, so I was lucky to take profits and get out.
Yeah, I had a feeling we were coming down from that level.
Yeah, this candle right here, I got 10 pips right there when I got out.
There we go. We're flipping bears.
I ain't gotta work this weekend. I feel good now.
I feel like everyone's getting out of work besides me, and I do sales. I feel like I touch the most people. It kind of sucks.
I didn't think I'd get out. I'm in the Air Force. I think they're like, you guys should be able to fight through this. But nah, they say stay home. You know, I ain't about to ask no questions.
Jesus Christ, man. This spread keeps messing on. Like, I would have took profit just now, but the spread opened up so fucking wide.
Oh yeah, it's up to 5 now.
Jesus,
I think you're good. I
man.
think it's gonna have some. Yeah, there you go. It's gonna start to
There we
run.
go. Okay, come on, come on.
This is gonna be that golden nugget, I think. And I'm 50 pips. Once it clears this little area, I think you're good. But it's rejected this area so much, I think it's just gonna push through here.
Oh my god, this spread is a joke, man.
Can't be that easy, man.
Yikes.
Did you guys all get back in that?
I'm not. I'm just watching it. But yikes.
I think you're good. It's
I was
just
in it,
you're
that
getting
would've
close
stopped
to
me
the.
out.
You're getting close to the 4-hour close.
It might be best just to stay out for the next half hour.
Yeah, once it gets close to 10 pips again, it just spreads out and close it. And then leave one runner.
Damn, nobody showed up today. That was crazy.
How many people were on the live?
We only got like 150.
That's more like half, right?
Yeah.
So usually like 200, 270, 60.
Yep.
It's their loss.
Yep.
This thing was on a downtrend all day.
Oh yeah, it's gonna. GJ is gonna be all sales for a while.
That's a big drop, boy.
What up, Jay Will? Yep, I'll pull up those charts in a second. Just posting the proof that I actually did execute everything as I said.
And stopped out. Whatever.
Oh, damn. This 4 hours probably going to be buys then for the next one. Oh yeah, we're coming up to here now. Possibly, or we're wicking into here again for some nonsense, but I feel like it possibly wicked too high. Yeah, that wicked too high now.
UJ just shot up like 30 pips in like 1 minute.
Yeah, I think a buy stop above here would be perfect. Yeah, that 4 hours going to close bullish, it looks like. Nice job, Joseph. I'm going to pull up those charts real quick. Ooh, that was nasty. Enters as it broke previous candle high. That's perfect. I love that you're incorporating that enter at the high. That's that's a lovely trade.
That's the trade I wish I took.
Yeah, I
would
saw
have ended
that.
my whole Asian.
Yeah. I kind of think buys above here are going to be super, super nice. Maybe we should wait for it. Yeah, that 4 hours. Oof, very, very low. Yeah, hourly's coming back bullish. We didn't break that hourly low, so probably keep heading up. What up, London? There was another trade in here somewhere. I think. Oh no, Hayden just sent his twice. Okay. What do you guys think? Should we stay and wait for these buys?
Yeah, let's see what happens. I got nothing else better to do than make a sandwich.
Yeah, I think GJ is still going down.
You think it's coming down?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm gonna wait, for confirmations or anything, but on the 15-minute, it's rejecting off that bearish.
Yep.
I'm not gonna get in another trade, but I'll stay.
I think JPY is bearish too. The last 3 daily closes were all bearish.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean short term we don't wick up to here and then drive back down.
Yeah, that's what I think it's about to do. It's rejecting that higher bearish or wick and probably flip bearish now.
Yep, yeah, so here's kind of...
We'll see.
Oh, this is way too far away. That's too far away.
I wish you can do that with MT4, man.
Yeah, same. This
So whack, man. Either that or you can make trades from your broker to trading view.
For some reason, like trading view and my MT4 never really matches up.
Same, it's kind of
close,
annoying.
But never really matches up.
Yeah.
Yep, see you later, Doug. Have a good one.
You can't put up MT4 on your screen, right?
What?
You can't put MT4 on the live.
It is. Oh, my MT4?
Yeah, you can't do that, right?
I could drag it over if I wanted to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you just use it to like trigger trades. You do all the stuff like you watch the chart on the trading view.
Yep, so yeah, I kind of mark up an idea on TradingView, and then I actually execute based on MT4.
Yeah, I'm feeling like GG just hit the stop switch now, and it's gonna split bearish now.
Yeah, but I mean, 4 hours closing bullish now.
Yeah, I still like buys.
Yeah, definitely got to get above here for that.
Yeah, let's see what the next 15 does.
Yep, I think 127 can happen again too.
Damn, that's a long camera though.
if this would just form like that, and then the next one starts, Rock gets up to here.
Yep.
It'd be perfect.
Hello?
Yo.
Oh, hey, what's up, Paul?
Not much. How's it going?
Good, good. It's me, Frankie. I think I have you on Instagram, but I hardly keep in touch.
I think we've talked on Instagram.
Yeah. Hey, do you already have the magic keys from Raquel?
No, he just shipped them out today, so I should have them probably by Monday or Tuesday.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. So I ordered mine too. Probably the same batch. But,
Oh yeah, yours are probably on their way then as well.
oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty excited about that.
Same, because my hand is gonna get carpal tunnel sitting on the mouse, just staring at the screen for like 10 minutes at a time.
Yeah, man, it's a hassle sometimes, huh?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's awesome. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. I was like, man, I don't know if he already has it or like, because I heard you mention something earlier. Because I have my kids running around the house making all kinds of noise, so I just mute myself.
Yeah, they'll be here soon. I think I'm excited for it. I think it's gonna make it so much easier. I can just lean back in my chair and just have it in my hand and press a button.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that too. Because like, especially like right now, the market's so crazy. You think you're getting out of price, but by the blink of an eye, man, you don't know what the heck's going on.
Yeah.
That's cool. So I don't know if you saw the chat, but I took a trade on EJ right after the 15-minute close bullish.
Oh, you had those EJ buys?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Caught 20 pips on it, but I was gonna ask you, like, whenever it's a 15-minute candle, like, do you always wait for that high to be broken if like 30 minutes not closed yet?
Yep.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, it's just that last confirmation that makes me feel better in the trade, because I've just had so many times where like I'll enter on a bullish candle here, forms a support, and it just comes down and it never even pushed above the candle. So I was like, every time it's pushed above or below the candle I enter on, it's worked out. So I'm just gonna wait for that. I gotta have a little bit bigger of a stop, and then it kind of messes up my R to R, but it gives me a better chance of winning it.
That's beautiful though. Textbook.
Yeah, because I entered right whenever that first 15 bullish opened, but I lowered my lot size because that was gonna be like a 19 pip stop. But I noticed like right after it broke that high, that first 15-minute, man, it just no drawdown at all. It just went up.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
That's the other thing. Whenever it makes that like new high or new low, I've noticed you always get like a little bit of a push. Sometimes better than others, but for the most part, it's always a little something. Especially like New York session.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that wick fill on EJ looks great. Yeah, I think GJ's gonna come up too.
Man, I closed out everything at 118.68. I should let it run, but I was like waiting for it the whole evening, so I was like, I'm just gonna close it out.
Yep, secure those profits.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this thing's gonna be something like that with a little wick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think those buys above here are gonna be really nice.
Sounds good, man. All right, Paul, I'll let you go. I gotta get back to taking care of my kids right now.
All right, man. Have a good night. Thanks for.
I'll keep in touch, man.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, bro.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I think this one's gonna be really, really nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream, guys. We will hopefully secured something, made some money. Press that like, subscribe button if you are interested in learning. You just go to the YouTube channel or the Instagram, my Instagram. But if you just click on this right here, it will take you to there if you need more than what we offer on the free YouTube. But I'm gonna head off and we will be back tomorrow.